Question number 1 to 3. Friends, check here. There are 11 members in the family. Next, A is the father of G. Yes, friends, check here. The next one is what? A is the father of G. Leave it. Next, C is the brother of B. C is the brother of B. Next, D is the sister-in-law of G. D is the sister-in-law of G. Yes, friends, check. Leave it. Next one. D has only one daughter. D has only one daughter. Next one is what? K is the daughter of F. Next, G is the mother of Q. G is the mother of Q. Next, N and J are siblings. Next, H is the father of N. J is son of D. B is the paternal grandmother of J. K and Q are siblings. Yes, friends, check here. Our friends, take here. First one is what? A is the father of G. Take here. A is the father of G and A is the father of G. Next one is what? Friends, check here. A is the father of G. A is the father of G. G is the mother of Q. Yes, friends, check here. They mention here. G is the mother of Q. G is the mother of Q. Next one is what? Friends, check here. Connecting point, check here. H is the father of N. H is the father of N. So friends, here H is the father of N. Next, J is son of D. Next, K and Q are siblings. Now, the next one is what? K and Q, these two are siblings. These two are siblings. Next one is what? Friends, check here. A, C is the brother-in-law of B. C is the brother-in-law of B. Next, D is the DA, sister-in-law of G and DA, sister-in-law of G. Next, D has only one daughter. Now, friend, the next one is what? D is the sister-in-law of G. D is the sister-in-law of G. Suppose, friend, check here. Now, D is the sister-in-law of G. Suppose sister-in-law means what? Here, spouse, sister. DA, sister-in-law of G. Next one is what? Next, D has only one daughter. D has only one daughter. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? Friend, check here. See here, A is father of G. Come to date. Now, C is brother of B. C is brother of B. C and B, we don't know. DA, sister-in-law of G. D has only one daughter. K is the daughter of F. K is the daughter of F. Now, friends, check here. K is the daughter of F. K is the daughter of F means now G and F both are couples. G and F both are couples. G minus means F is plus. Next one, G is mother of Q. Next, N and J are siblings. N and J both are siblings. Yes, friends, check here. N and J are siblings. Next, H is father of N. See here. N and J both are siblings. Next one is what? H is father of N. H is father of N. Next, J is son of D. Now, friends, check here. The next one is what? J is son of D. J is son of D. Now, N and J both are siblings. N and J both are siblings. Yes. Next one is what? Friends, check here. The next one is what? H is the father of N. H is the father of N. H is the father of N means now I will take here H and N. Now, H is the father of N. I will take G and H both are siblings. Now, DA, sister-in-law of G. DA, sister-in-law of G. Yes, friends, check here. DA, sister-in-law of G. Yes. Now, B is the paternal grandmother of J. Paternal grandmother means what? Paternal means what? Father side. B is paternal grandmother of J. So, friends, check here. B is paternal grandmother of J. And that means paternal means what? Mother. Paternal means what? Father. Father, mother. Yes, friends, check here. Now, that means A and B both are siblings. Now, take here. B is paternal grandmother of J. J father, H mother is what? B. Now, C is brother of B. Now, friends, check here. C is brother of B. Yes, C is brother of B. This is the given entire information. We don't know about Q general. Then leave it. Next, take care. Question number 1. How F is related to H? How F is related to H? How F is related to H means answer is what? Brother-in-law. Answer is what? Brother-in-law. Question number 1, option C. Question number 2. How Q is related to N? Friends, how Q is related to N means here answer is what? Cousins. Here, if it is a male or if it is a female, how Q is related to N? Answer is what? Cousin. So question number 2, answer is what? Option B. Answer is what? Cousin. Answer is what? Cousin. Friends, for question number 2, don't take can't be determined. Why means? Friends, here, if it is a male or female, if it is a male, Q is cousin of N. Female also, Q is cousin of N. If you don't know the gender of Q also, then Q is simply cousin of N. So question number 2, option B. Question number 3, how many female members are there in the family? We can't say. Why means here? We don't know the gender of Q. Answer is what? cannot be determined. Option, so question number 3, option E. Friend check here, question number 48. See here, the given one is what? There are 8 friends, namely Abba, next Arushi, Tanya, Ekta, Jyoti, Akashi, not Akash, Akshi, next Nitin and Karthik, sitting around a circular table but not necessarily in the same order. All of them is facing toward the center. Yes. So total here we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table. All are facing toward the center. Leave it. Next. Tanya does not sit. Tanya does not sit. Second left of Karthik. Leave it. Arushi sits third right of Abba. Yes, one check here. Take the funny spot. Abba. Now Arushi is third right of Abba. 1, 2, 3. The funny spot here. Arushi. Arushi is third right of Abba. Yes, leave it. Next. Akshi sits opposite to Jyoti. Here we are having possibilities. Leave it. Next. Karthik is not immediate neighbor of Arshi and Abba. Karthik is not immediate neighbor of Arshi, Arushi and Abba. That means for Karthik here no chance, here no chance, here no chance, here no chance. These two are the possibilities for Karthik. That means there is chance to get one more possibility taken it. Then it will become too easy. Friend check here. Friend, this one is part here Abba. This one is part here Abba. Now this one is part. Third right of Abba is part. This one is part Arushi. Now Karthik is not immediate neighbor of Abba and Arushi means here Karthik here chance. Next otherwise here chance. That means this is the possibility for Karthik. This is the possibility for Karthik. Yes. Now for Karthik here we are having two possibilities. Yes, leave it. Now friend check here. If you know about this one means take before point is part. Akshi sits opposite to Jyoti. Friend check here. Akshi sits opposite to Jyoti. Akshi is opposite to Jyoti. Now opposite means this one no chance. Now here chance. Yes or no? Akshi is opposite to Jyoti. Here Akshi and Jyoti chance. Here opposite no chance. Here no chance. Here no chance. Why means here this one opposite. So here for Akshi and Jyoti this is the only possibility. This is the only possibility. Yes. Now suppose this one is Akshi means now this one is what? Here Jyoti. This one is what? Here Jyoti. Otherwise this one is Akshi means this one is what? Here Akshi means now this one is Jyoti. This one is what? Jyoti. Yes. Akshi and Jyoti both are opposite. Now Akshi and Jyoti both are opposite. Here no chance. Here no chance. These two are the possibilities for Akshi and Jyoti. Suppose this one is Akshi me. This one is what? Here Jyoti. Now this one is Jyoti me. Now this one is what? Here Akshi. This one is what? Akshi. But I will eliminate one possibility. See here. Now friends check here. Akshi or Jyoti. This one is what? Jyoti or Akshi. Yes, leave it. Next. Often next point is what? See here. Ekta does not sit. Ekta does not sit opposite to Abba. Ekta does not sit opposite to Abba. That means for Ekta here no chance. Next one. Nitin does not sit opposite to Arushi. Now Arushi opposite this one is what? Here Nitin. This one is what? Here Nitin. No chance. Next one. Often check here. Neither Jyoti nor see here. Neither Jyoti nor Akashi. Akshi not Akashi. Akshi is immediate neighbor of Arushi. Yes, friends check here. Friends, in this possibility end, see here, Akshi and Jyoti both are opposite. Akshi and Jyoti both are opposite means this is the only possibility. But neither Jyoti nor Akshi is immediate neighbor of Arushi means then this possibility is wrong. This possibility is wrong. Yes, leave it. Next point. Friends, check here. Ekta and Akashi are immediate neighbors of or not. See here. Ekta and Akashi, Akshi are not immediate neighbors of each other. Yes. Now Ekta, next Akshi, these two are not immediates. These two are not immediates. Yes. Then leave it. Next point. Tanya does not sit opposite to Karthik. Tanya does not sit opposite to Karthik. Yes. Tanya does not sit opposite to Karthik means for Tanya here no chance. First point is one. Tanya is does not sit second left of Karthik. For Karthik second left here. Tanya no chance. Now Tanya here no chance. Here no chance. Then this is the only possibility for Tanya. This is the only possibility for Tanya. Now this is the only possibility for Tanya means next one is what? Ekta. For Ekta here no chance. Ekta here no chance means this is the only possibility for Ekta. Remaining this is the possibility for Ekta. Now this one is what? Here Ekta. So when this one is Ekta means now remaining is what? Nitin. Remaining is what? Here Nitin. So for this is the only possibility for remaining is what? This one is what? Nitin. This one is what? Nitin. But they can clue point is what? Ekta and Akshi are not immediates. Then This one is Ekta means Akshi A, no chance. Then this one is for Jyoti. Now this one is for Akshi. Jyoti and Akshi both are immediates. Now Akshi and Ekta are not immediates. Yes, this is the given entire arrangement. See here. Akshi Jyoti both are opposite. Now Ekta and Akshi are not immediates. Yes. So take question number 4. Who sits immediate right of Jyoti? Who sits immediate right of Jyoti? Jyoti facing inside. Immediate right of Jyoti. Ekta. So question number 4 answer is option A. Question number 5. Who sits second right of Akshi? Friends here. Who sits second right of Akshi? First right, second right is for Tanya. So answer is for Tanya. Question number 5 option D. Question number 6. How many persons sit between Jyoti and Abba when counted from left of Abba? Jyoti and Abba. Jyoti and Abba when counted from left of Abba. Left of Abba means here 3. Total here we are having 6 members. So question number 6 answer is for option B. See here. But when Jyoti and Abba counted from left of Abba means here this member. Then answer is what? 6 member. Question number 6 option B. Question number 7. Which of the following is unlike in certain way? So which of the following is unlike in certain way? Which one is the different? See here. Nitin, Akshi. Now Nitin, Akshi. Friends, one check here. Nitin and Akshi. Nitin and Akshi. Nitin and Akshi both are immediates. Both are immediates. Now Karthik, Tanya. Friends, check here. Karthik, Tanya. Both are immediates. Karthik, Tanya both are immediates. Next one. Abba, Jyoti. Abba, Jyoti immediates. Ekta, Arushi immediates. Jyoti, Tanya. These two are not immediate. Then which of the following is unlike? That means so out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which is the unlike? Which is not? Which is the different one? Means answer is what? Option E. Question number 7 option E. Question number 8. Who sits opposite of Karthik? Opposite of Karthik, who is there? Ekta. So question number 8 answer is what? None of this. Answer is what? None of this. Why means opposite to Karthik is what? Ekta. There is no option means answer is what? None of this. Question number 10. Here the again question is from coding and decoding. And again question is from coding and decoding. Yes, friends, check here. So friends, here directly take question. What is the code for the easily? What the code for easily? Check once easily is present in which line? Friends, check here. Easily. So friends, check here. Easily is present in only one line. Last line only present in one line. So friends, once eliminate the codes. That means only information is easily, then only code is required. DDC remaining lines it is there or not there? Not there. Next EDC. One check here in remaining lines, not there. ODC. KDC here KDC. Then what the code for easily means? EDC, DDC or EDC. DDC or EDC. Answer is what? Cannot be determined. Question number 10 option E, can't be determined. Question number 9th one. What is the code for material? What is the code for here? Material. Friends, here we are having material. Here also here we are having material. Then first line, third line, common code is common information is material. First line, third line. Friends, here we are having MDC. Here also we are having MDC. NDC not there. CDC not there. ZDC not there. Then answer is what? MDC. So question number 9 answer is what? Option B, MDC. Question number 12. The code ODC represent which of the following word? Friends, check here. The code ODC represent which of the following word? And this one is what? Word. ODC. Friends, check here. ODC is present in. Here we are having ODC. Here also here we are having ODC. Now second line, last line. Friends, check here. Second line, last line. Which is the common? Basic not there, math not there, question. Here we are having question. Next here we are having question. Here we are having solution, but here solution. But solution is present in this line also. That means solution no chance. Then answer is what? Question. Answer is what? Question. Question number 11 answer is option A. Question number 12. What is the code of the word provide? Yes, friend, check it. Take here provide. Check once provide is present in which line? First line not there. Second line not there. Third line not there. Only fourth line provide. So friends, one check here codes. DDC not there. Next EDC not there. ODC is there. KDC also there. Then answer is what? Either DDC or EDC. Either DDC or EDC. Answer is what? Option E. Question number 12 option E. If the code of the teacher provides solution, yes, one check here. The mention is what? So you can note down here. Teacher. Next provide. Next one is what? Solution. Teacher provide solution. Is written as ADC, DDC, KDC. Yes. Then What is the possible code for teacher basic is? Teacher basic is. Yes, friend, check here. Teacher is present in which lines? Not there. Then leave it. Now, friend, check here. Teacher code eliminate. Teacher code eliminate. Here, teacher is present in only the given line. Then eliminate the codes. See here. ADC. Whether ADC is present or not. See here. ADC. Not there. Next DDC. Friend, check DDC is there. Next KDC also there. Then teacher code is what? ADC. Teacher code is what? ADC. Next basic. Friend, check here. Basic one, check here. Basic is present in which line? Here basic. Here also we are having basic. First line, second line, common information is basic. Common code. MDC not there. NDC not there. CDC. Then CDC. Yes. Then answer is here. CDC. Next one is what? Is. Next one is what? Is. Is present in which line? Only first line. Only first line. Friend, check here. Only first line. Remaining line is not there. Then once eliminate the codes, only information is only code. So friends, here MDC. MDC is present in remaining lines. Yes. NDC. Friends, check here. NDC. Whether NDC is present or not. Remaining lines. NDC. No. Next. CDC. Friends, check here. See here. CDC comes to ZDC. Friends, check here. Here we are having ZDC. Next remaining second line are there. Third line are there. Fourth line also not there. Then what the code for is means? What the code for is means? NDC there is chance to take. There is chance to take here. ZDC also. There is chance to take ZDC also. Then answer is what? Here NDC or ZDC. Answer is what? NDC or ZDC. Yes, check once. ADC, CDC compulsory present. Out of these two, one code. ADC, CDC, NDC. This one is chance. Next, here the next one is what? Possible. There is a chance. Yes. If you, that means option 1 itself possible. If you are in doubt, check for remaining. ADC, DDC, BDC, no DDC, NDC. No chance. Why mean DDC is not there? Then next one, NDC. See here, NDC, ZDC, EDC, no. Why means these should be compulsory present. Then simple answer is what? Option A. Question number 13, option A. Next, question number 14 to 15. Here the again question is from directions. Take here given one. Point A is 8 meter west of B. Yes, friend, check here. Point A is 8 meter west of B. Next, point E is 1 meter east of F. We don't know about E and F. We know about only A and B. Next, G is 2 meter east of point H. Point E is 4 meter north of D. Point C is 10 meter west of D. Point G is 6 meter north of F. Point C is 6 meter south of point B. Now take it. Point C is 6 meter south of point B. If you know about C, for C connecting point check. Point C is 10 meter west of D. Now C is 10 meter west of D. C is 10 meter west of D. Yes. Next, if you know about D means point E is 4 meter north of D. Now A is 4 meter north of D. E is 4 meter north of D. Next one is one. Next, if you know about E means E is 1 meter east of F. E is 1 meter east of F. E is 1 meter east of F. Next one. If you know about F means point G is 2 meter east of point H. Next, E comes to it. Next, point G is 6 meter north of F. G is 6 meter north of F. This one is 6. This one is what? 4. That means now. Friend, check it. The next one is what? Point G is 6 meter north of F. Point G is 6 meter. This one is 4 and now this one is totally 6 means this one is 4 means remaining this one is what? Here 2. Now G is 6 meter means this one is what? Here 4. Now G is 6 meter north of point F. Now G is 2 meter east of point H. G is 2 meter east of point H. Now this one is what? Point H. G is 2 meter east of point H. This total is 10 and this one is 1. This one is 2. Yes. Next, this is the given entire information. Take questions. What is the shortest distance between point A and C? Between A and C, what is the shortest distance? Now, this distance and this is the what? Then this one is what? Right angle triangle. So friends, here one side is what? 8, other side is what? 6. Now, hypotenuse square equal to hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. 8 square plus 6 square. Then this one is what? 64, 36. Answer is what? Here 100. Hypotenuse square equal to 100 means hypotenuse is what? Plus or minus 10, but distance is always positive. Then answer is what? 10 meter. Question number 14. Answer is option C. Question number 15. Point H is which direction with respect to point B? H is with direction with respect to B. With respect to B means direction diagram said B, east, west, north, south. With respect to B, which direction? Here, northeast. Answer is what? Northeast. So, question number 15. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 16 to 20. 8%. Yuchit, Ujjwal, Usha, Udyam, Udip, Ujay, Umang, next and Urti have a dance program on 3 different months. Next, January, April and July on 3 different dates 16, 21 and 30. Yes, one check here. So take first year months January 16, 21, 30. Next, April 16, 21, 30. July 16, 21, 30. Yes. Yes, friends, check here. Now, friends, here take a July month having how many days? 31 days. Next, April month having how many days? 30 days. Next one is found here. January month having how many days? Here, 31 days. Yes. Now, this is the given entire information. The given entire information. Yes. Now, take here. Friends, check here. Next, the given point is what? Udip dancing on an odd number date. Friends, check here. Udip is dancing on odd number date 21st, but we don't know. Next, number of person dancing before Ujay. Before Ujay, yes, friends, check here. Before Ujay is same as number of is same as that of after Udyam. Yes, friends, check here. So, friends, here the number of persons who is dancing before Ujay is same as after Udyam. After Udyam. Next one. Only one person dancing between Uchit and Ujay. Uchit and Ujay. Yes. Between Uchit and Ujay, here we are having one person. Yes. Friends, here Uchit and Ujay. Between Uchit and Ujay, here we are having one person. Leave it. Next one. Number of person. Friends, here. Next, see, only one person between Uchit and Ujay. Both are dancing on different months, but not in July. Yes, this is the clue point, but don't start. Why means more possibilities we will get. Go for next point. Umang dancing in a month which has an even number days. Yes, that means Umang dancing in a month which has even number days. That means April month. For Umang possibility is what? April month. In general, maybe we are going to feel question is tough and it becomes easy. See here. Next point. One person is dancing between Udip and Uditi. Next, who is not dancing? An even number date. Who is means for here? Uditi. Uditi is not dancing in even number date. That means here Uditi also odd number date. Yes, take this point. Now, Uditi is odd number date. Next, Udip also dancing in odd number date. Udip also dancing in odd number date. But between Uditi and Udip, here we are having one person. We are having one person. Yes. Now, suppose Uditi and Udip both are odd number days. See here, Udip dancing on odd. Now, Uditi also dancing on odd. Now, for Uditi and Udip, possibilities are what? January 21, April 21, July 21. But one person dancing between Udip and Uditi. Suppose if I take different spot Udip, different spot here Udip. Now this one is spot Uditi, this one is spot here Uditi. Yes. Otherwise, this one is Udip, this one is spot here Udip. Now this one is compulsory Uditi, this one is compulsory Uditi. Yes. But our requirement is what? One person. Our requirement is what? One person. Only one person was dancing between Udip and Uditi. But here there is chance to get two members. But the given information is what? See here. In one of the days, there is no program was scheduled. There was no program was scheduled. That means that program should be compulsory between these two only. See here. Between Udip and Uditi, we are having only one program. We are having only one program. But both are in the odd number days. That means here Udip or Udupi, this one is what? Udip or Udupi. Otherwise, one more possibility is what? If I take this one is what? Udupi or this one is what? Udip, this one is what? Udip. Now, last one is here. This one is what? Here. Udupi or this one is what? Here. Udip. Yes. These two are the possibilities. Why mean? Udip and Udip both are having the program in odd number date. At the same time, between here we are having 1%. That means here January, here April chance. This is the chance. Yes. Next. Suppose friends check here. These two are the possibilities and these two are the possibilities. If I will take friends here, if I will take this one is Udip, this one is what? Udip. If I will take this one is what? Udip, then this one is compulsory Udupi. This one is what? Compulsory Udupi. Between here we are having 2 dates, but one day is holiday. Why means they mention only 1% dancing between Udip and Udupi. Udip and Udupi and friends here. How I took possibility means between Udip and Udupi both are having the program in the odd number date. That means 21st. Here 21st means here 2 days gap. Here again 21st. That means one day they given, one day is indirectly no program and one day is indirectly no program. That means in between here one day is no program, here in between one day is no program. Yes, leave it. Now friends check here. If I take this one is what? Udip, this one is what? Udupi. If I take this one is Udip means now next condition check. Number of persons dancing before Udip is same as number of persons dancing after Usha, who is not dancing in the month which is having the even number of days. That means for Usha here April month is no chance. Now number of persons before Udip, how many persons here we are having? Here out of these two members only 1%. Why means one day is no program. Then here out of these two, 1 member, 2 member, 3 members. So before Udip 3 members, then after Usha also 3 members. After Usha also 3 members means Usha will comes here. But Usha does not have the program in the month contains here even number days. Then for Usha here no chance. That means for Udip here no chance. Now this one is what? Udupi. Now this one is what? Here Udip. This one is what? Udip. In this case, friends, suppose if I take this one is what? Here. Suppose friends here, if I take this one is what? Udip. Now this one is what? Udupi. This one is what? Udupi. Between Udip and Udupi, here we are having 1%. That means here we are having 2 days. That means one day is no program. Now before Udip, how many persons? How many programs here we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after Usha also 4 programs. 1, 2. Out of these two only one day is we are having program. Then 3. Next 4 program. This one is what? Here Usha. This one is what? Here Usha. But Usha does not have the program in the month contains even number of days. Then Udupi here Udip no chance. Now take this one is what? Udip. Then this one is what? Udupi. Now before Udip, how many persons here we are having? How many program? Out of these 2 days only 1 program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before Udip 6. After Usha also 6. Now 1, 2. Out of these two only one day is program. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is what? Usha. This one is what? Here Usha. Yes, this is the given possibility. If you are able to take this possibility, now arrangement will complete. Now take first point. Friends check here. Friends check here. See here. Number of persons dancing before Vijay is same as that of after Udyam. Before Vijay is same as after Udyam. Next point is what? Friends check here. Uchit is dancing before Vijay. Uchit is dancing before Vijay. Next, they give one point is what? One person dancing between Uchit and Vijay. Both are dancing on the different months. Both are dancing in the different month, but not in July. Between Uchit and Vijay, we are having only 1%, but both are dancing in the different months. Both are dancing in the different months, but Uchit is dancing before Vijay. Uchit is before Vijay. Yes. Now take this possibility. Now, so these two are not dancing in the July month. That means here no need to check. Then suppose if I take this one is what? Uchit. This one is what? Here Uchit. Now Udip. Now here this one is what? Vijay no chance. Why means Uchit and Vijay both are in the different months. Now I will take this one is what? Here Vijay. This one is what? This one is what? Here Vijay. Now this one is what? There is no program. There is no program. Between Udip and Udupi, here we are having only one program. Yes. Now between Uchit and Vijay, here we are having one program. Uchit is above Vijay at the same time. Both are in the different months. Both are in the different months. Yes. Next one. In this case, friends, suppose friends check here. If I take different is part Uchit, different is part Uchit. Now 1% different is part Vijay, but both are in the same month. Both are in the same month. No chance. Suppose if I take different is part Uchit, different is part Uchit. 1% here. This one is what Ujay, no chance. This one is what Vijay, no chance. Then simply this possibility is wrong. This possibility is wrong. So again, between Uchit and Vijay, 1% and here Uchit 1%. See here, Uchit 1%. Here Vijay, both are in the same month. But our requirement is what Uchit and Vijay both are in the different months. If I take here Uchit means now 1 Vijay, no chance. Then simply this possibility is wrong. Now this is the only possibility. Now the given one is what? Number of persons dancing before Ujay is same as after Udyam. Before Ujay, how many persons here we are having? 2 members. Then after Udyam also here we are having 2 members. Then this one is what here? Udyam. This one is what here? Udyam. Yes. So number of persons dancing before Vijay is same as after Udyam. After Udyam. Yes. Next point. Friends, they give one more clue point is one. Number of persons dancing before Udip is same as after Usha. Number of person dancing before Udip is same as number of persons dancing after Usha. Before Udip, we are having only 1%. After Usha also here we are having 1%. After Usha also here we are having 1%. Now, Umang having the program in the month contains even number of days. Then 16, 21 here, even number of days means what? April month. 16 completed, 21 completed. This is the only possibility for Umang. This is the only possibility for Umang. Now, take remaining one. Remaining one is who? Uchit completed. Remaining is what? Ujjwal. So remaining is what? Ujjwal. Yes. Uj Ujjwal. Yes. This is the given entire arrangement. Now take questions. Question number 16. Question number 16. How many persons dancing between Uchit and Uditi? Uchit and Uditi. How many persons and they given? How many persons? Uchit and Uditi. Udip, Vijay. 2 persons here we are having. Then answer is what? Option A. Question number 16. Option A. Question number 17. Which of the following statement are true with respect to Ujay? With respect to Ujay, which of the following is true? And Ujay dancing on 16th of a month. Ujay dancing on 16th of a month. Yes, first one is true. Second one. 2% dancing between Ujay and Udyam. Ujay and Udyam. Between here we are having 2 members. Second one also true. Third one. Ujay dancing immediately before Udyip. Ujay is dancing immediately before Udyip. No chance. Then third one is wrong. Next, without any vacant. So leave. Then friends, Ujay is dancing immediately before Udip. Ujay is immediately before Udip. No one. Leave. Now, first one and second one is true. Then answer is one. Option C. So question number 17. Option C. Question number 18. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Who among the following is not belongs? Out of given 5 options, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now, Ujay. Ujay is on 16th date. Next, Uditi on 21st date. Udyam on 30 date. Next, Uchit. See, Uchit is what? 16th date. Next, Ujjwal is what? 30th date. All are even number. Even number. But this one is a odd number. Then answer is what? Uditi. Answer is what? Uditi. Question number 18. Option B. Question number 19. Which of the following does Usha dancing? Usha dancing on which date? July 21st. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 20. Who among the following person dancing immediately before Umang? Immediately before Umang, Uditi. So answer is what? Option D. Uditi. Friends, take here. Question number 21 to 24. Here the again question is from syllogism. See here, the again one is for logically follow. That means here true conclusions. Take first one. 0% means what? No dark is a here lock. Next, no lock is a rock. Next one is what? Only rock is a sock. That means friends check here. All sock is a rag. That means from sock to remaining all, here we are having negative. Why means here dimension only. Dimension only. That means only sock is a lock. Only sock is a dog. Next one. First conclusion. 25% means what? Some sock or lock is a possibility. No and why means here No sock is a lock. They mention only rock is a sock. That means all sock is rock. Now sock to remaining, here we are having negative relation. But they mention some sock or lock is a possibility. Wrong. Next one. Few. Few means what? Some. Some dock or rock is a possibility. Some dock or rock is a possibility. Friends, check here. Some part of dock is mixed with rock. There is a chance. There is a chance. Yes. Then second one is true. Second one is true. Then answer is what? Only second one. Question number 21. Answer is what? Option B. Only second one. Question number 22. Only back or pack. That means all pack is back. All pack is back. Friends, here from pack to remaining all, here we are having negative. Why means here they mention only. Only back or pack, then all pack is back. Next, 50% is back or rack. 50% is back is here rack. Next one is what? No. 0% is what? No. No rack is sack. No rack is here sack. Yes, take it. First conclusion. Few back or sack is a possibility. Few back or sack is a possibility. Yes. No rack is a sack. Some part of back is not sack. Whatever remaining back and sack mean, there is chance to get possibility. Then first one is yes. Second one. 100% is pack or rack. 100% is pack or rack. Second one is wrong. Why means? No pack is a rack. Why means for pack here we are having only. No pack is a rack. But 100% is pack or rack means second one is wrong. Answer is what? Only one. So question number 22. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 23. 100% is duck or sick. Now friends check here. That means all duck is a sick. All duck is a sick. Next one. No sick is a pick. 0% means what? No. No sick is a pick. 50% means what? Some pick or tick. Some pick or tick. Take first conclusion. Few tick or sick is not a possibility. Few tick or sick. Few tick or sick is not a possibility. But some tick or sick, there is chance to get possibility in it. But they mention is not a possibility. Then this one is what? Wrong. Why means? Some tick or sick. Some part of tick is sick. There is chance to get possibility. They mention is not a possibility. But here there is chance to get possibility. They mention is not a possibility means this one is wrong. Next one. 100% is duck or pick. 100% is duck or pick is a possibility. Here we know no sick is a pick. No sick is a pick means duck is inside. No duck is a pick. But here all duck or pick is a possibility. Wrong. Then answer is what? Both are wrong. Both are wrong means answer is what? Neither one nor D. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 24. None neck is a deck. Friends check here. Neck. None neck is a deck. None neck is a here deck. Next. 75% means what? Some deck are peck. Some deck is a peck. 100% means what? All. All peck are tuck. All peck are here tuck. Take first one. Few deck are tech. Friends check here. Few some part of D is mixed with D. Then first one is true. Second one. 100% is neck or peck is a possibility. 100% is NRP is a possibility. NRP is a possibility. Yes. All NRP is a possibility. Yes and no. Why means? Can I able to draw like diagram like this? All NRP is a possibility. True and if they mention all PRN is a possibility, wrong. Why means? No deck is a neck means in deck here peck is some part of peck is not neck. But here neck to peck we can't say. Then all neck being peck is a possibility. Yes. Then answer is what? Both are true. Both are true means answer is what? Option E. Friends, here question number 25 to 29. Here the questions are from inequalities. Take here given statement. See here the given statement is what? A greater than A greater than B greater than or equal to C less than yes. First one, second one common is what? B greater than Q. Next common is what? C less than or equal to K equal to M. Take first conclusion M and A. M and A relation is what? Check it. A greater than B greater than or equal to C less than or equal to K equal to M. Greater than or equal less than or equal to opposite. See here. Between M and K these are the symbols and greater than or equal to less than or equal to means opposite means what? Can't say. First one is what? Wrong. Second one B and K. B greater than or equal to C less than or equal to K. Both are opposite. Can't say. Answer is what? Both are wrong. Answer is what? Option D. So question number 25. Option D. Question number 26. Take here given statement. The given statement is what? M greater than or equal to L L greater than D, D equal to E, next E less than or equal to P. But in exam, don't write like this. And why mean? Here they given common L, next this one is D, this one is what? E, next P. Yes, leave. Come to the number 1, M and E. M and E relation is what? Greater than or equal to, greater than, equal to. Greater than or equal to, greater than, greater than. Greater than equal to, greater than. So first one is true. Second one, M and E. M greater than E is true means M less than or equal to E is false. Then answer is what? Only 1. Question number 26. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 27. Take here given statement. Given statement is what? See here. B is greater than or equal to X. X greater than W. Next. T equal G. G less than W. Then W greater than G. Next. G equal to T. Next last one. G greater than O. O less than Q. Take conclusion number 1. B and G. B and G, see here, greater than or equal to, greater than, greater than. Result is what? Greater than. So B greater than G, true. B greater than G is true means equal to G is false. Then answer is what? Only 1 follows. Question number 27. Answer is option A. Question number 28. Y equal to X, greater than P, greater than Q, greater than or equal to R, less than or equal to Z. Y and R. Y and R, one check here. Equal to, greater than, greater than, greater than or equal to. Result is what? Greater than. Equal to, greater than, 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 greater than or equal to, greater than. So Y greater than R. First one is true. Second one, P and Z. P and Z, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Opposite. Opposite means what? Can't say. Only 1 follows. Question number 28. Option A. Question number 29. One check here. V and T. Between V and T, see here. Greater than, less than, greater than, equal. Greater than, less than, both are opposite. We can't say. Then V less than T false. V greater than or equal to T also false. Yes. Both should be wrong. First requirement for either is satisfied. See here. V and T relation is what? Can't say. Can't say means both should be wrong. First requirement for either is satisfied. Subjective predicates are same. Subjective predicates are same. Next, second requirement is satisfied. By using our statement between V and T, relation is what? We can't say. Can't say means between two variables, what are the possibilities for inequalities? There is chance to take less than, there is chance to take greater than, there is chance to take equal to. Less than present, greater than present, equal present. Three symbols are present means our requirement is satisfied. If it satisfies three conditions, answer is what? Either 1 or 2. Answer is what? Either or, option C. Question number 29, option C. Question number 32. Yes, friend, check it. 8 books, history, physics, chemistry, biology, civics, mathematics, English and geography are placed one above another but not necessarily in the same order. Civics book is 3 places below the mathematics book. Biology book is somewhere below the physics book but not exactly below. Mathematics book is 2 places away from English. Chemistry book is 3 places away from geography. History book is 4 places. That means take this one. History book is 4 places away from geography. History is 4 places away from geography. 1, 2, 3. This one is what? Here. Geography. History is 4 places away from geography. Otherwise, geography abound. See here. This one is what? Geography. 1, 2, 3. This one is what? Here. 4. History is 4 places away from geography. And we don't know whether history is before geography or geography is before history. Yes, leave it. Next one. Mathematics book is book is just above the history. Mathematics is just above the history and mathematics is just above the history. Now mathematics is just above the history. Just above the history. Yes. But if you know about geography book, they give one clue point. First check here. See here. Civics book is 3 places below the mathematics. Civics is 3 places below the mathematics and see here. Civics is book is 3 places below the mathematics. Mathematics 1, 2, 3. Different is what here? Civics. Different is what here? Civics. So civics is 3 places below the mathematics. Yes, friend, check here. Mathematics 1, 2, 3. Different is what here? Civics. Different is what here? Civics. Next. Leave it next one. Friend, check here. Biology book is leave it. Mathematics book is 2 places away from English. Mathematics is 2 places away from English. Next. Chemistry book is 3 places away from geography. Take here. Chemistry 3 places away from geography. Geography 1, 2, 3. Chemistry no chance. Geography 1, 2, 3. The different is what? Chemistry. Once count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No chance. This possibility is wrong. Why mean they give total 8 books. Now geography is chemistry book is 3 places away from geography. So chemistry 3 places away from geography. 1, 2, 3. Chemistry chance. Next geography 1, 2, 3. No chance. Why mean 3? 6, 9 we will get. Then geography 1, 2, the funny spot here 3. Chemistry. Chemistry is 3 places away from geography. Yes. Next one. Our requirement is one. Friends check here. Take a first 2 point. Not first point. This one. Mathematics books is 2 places away from English. Mathematics is 2 places away from English. Mathematics 1 English no. Mathematics 1 this funny spot here. See here. This one is what? Here English. This one is what? Here English. Yes. Mathematics is 2 places away from English. Yes. Next the again one is what? Biology book is somewhere below the physics, but not exact. Now remaining is what? This one is what? Biology is somewhere below the physics. Now this one is what? Here physics. Yes. This is the given entire information. 3, 6, 8 books. Take question. Question number 30. How many books are there between physics and chemistry? Between physics and chemistry, how many books are there? 2 books. Then answer is what? 2. Question number 30. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 31. Which book is 7th position from the top? From top 7th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th one. Biology. So question number 31. Option B. Question number 32. What is the position of chemistry book? Position of chemistry book is found. Check here. Chemistry book. Third 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth from bottom. Fourth from bottom. Option is there. Fourth from bottom. Not there. Then top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from top. Answer is what? Fifth from top. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 32. Option D. Question number 33. How many words can be formed from the first, 6th, 8th and 9th? Check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 words. First letter. First one is what? D. Sixth one is what? Sixth one is what? Here. T. Eighth one. Eighth one is what? C. Ninth one is what? A. Then how many meaningful words can be possible? How many words can be possible? No. No. That means there is no word is possible. And with these letters, is there any word is possible? No. Then the simple answer is what? None. Friend, this type of question is completely based upon your English. And next. Friends, okay, question number 34. In the word a perpetual, how many pairs of letters are there in the same number of letters between them in the word in the alphabetical series? Simply take a P. Friends, okay, take a numbers taken, it will become CC. P 16, E 5, P face value. So next R 18, P 16, E 5, T 20, U 21, A 1, L 12. Take a alphabetical form. After 16, what will come? 17, 18, 1 pair. 19, 20, 21. No, leave. Next, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, see here. 5 to 12 pair is matching it. See here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, leave it. Next one. After 18, 19, 20, 21. No, leave it. 16, 17, 18, 19. No. 5, 6, 7. No. 8, 9. Next, 20, 21. Next one. 1, 12. No. Forward we are having 3 pairs. 6, 18. Next. 5, 12. Next 20, 21. Take in the words 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See here. 12 to 18. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Leave. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. After 21, 22. After 21, no number. Leave. 20, no number. Leave. 5, 6, 7. No. 16, 17, 18. No. 18, 19. No. 5, 6. No. So reverse how many pairs here we are having? Friends, here reverse here we are having 1 pair and reverse here we are having 1 pair. So that pair is what? 12, 18. So forward 3 pairs, reverse 1 pair. Total here we are having 4 pairs. Question number 34, option A. Friends, here question number 35. If the 2-digit number are formed by taking, see here, 2-digit numbers are formed by taking second and third digit respectively each of the given numbers. Yes. Now friends, check here. A 2-digit number is formed. 2-digit numbers is formed by taking the second and third digit respectively. Second and third digit respectively. Yes. Here second and third digit. Here 2-digit number 8, 9, 5, 8. Next 7, 6, 6, 8, 3, 2. Next. Then after that, friends, check here. Each of the given numbers and then the positions of second and third digit of each of the number are interchanged. That means, friends, check here. Here we are having 6 and here we are having 3. Next year we are having 4. Next year we are having 8. Next year we are having 2. Next, this one is part 9. Now 2-digit number is found by taking a second and third digit. Second and third digit, second and third digit, second and third, second and third, second and third. After that, next one check here. Now the positions of second and third is interchange. Second and third is interchange. That means second and third, first, second, third. Second and third interchange means what? 52. Next, 89, 85, 67, 86, 23. Yes. Then, which of the following number will be the second highest number in the revised form? Second highest number. Friends, check here. So in this one, second highest number, and in this one, second highest number. So first highest number is what? Here, 89. Second highest number is what? 86. 86 means what? Here, 268. That means answer is what? Option D. Friends, check here. Friends, here they mention, see here, third, see here, they mention 2-digit number is formed by taking the second and third digit respectively. That means here 25, 89, 58, 76, 68, 32. Then first, second and third is interchange. That means these two interchange. After that, which is the see here, which are the following in the second highest number? First highest number is what? 89. Second highest number is what? 86. Then answer is what? 268. Why means by using 268 only here we are going to get second highest number. So question number 35, option D. Question number 36. If these numbers are written in the descending order from left to right, numbers are arranged in the descending order from left to right, then next question, which number among them will be the third highest? Then first highest is what? Friends, check here, 932. Second highest is what? 876. Third highest is what? 458. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 36. Answer is option C. Next, question number 37. If the 2-digit of the each number are interchanged, if the first and second digits of each of the number are interchanged, which among these numbers will be the second lowest number? Yes, first 2 digits are interchanged. Then 265, check here, 265, 839, 548, 786, 628, 392. After that, which of the following will be the second lowest? First lowest is what? 265. Second lowest is what? 392. Answer is what? 932. So question number 37, option B. Question number 38. How many numbers in the given number series divisible by 3? 3 divisible rule is what? Sum is divisible by 3 and here this one is what? 8, 13, no chance. This one is what? Here 17, 20, no chance. This one is what? 12, 17, no chance. This one is what? Here 15, this one is what? 21. This one is divisible by 3. Yes. This one is what? 16. No. This one 14. No. Then only 1. 38. Answer is what? Option B. If 1 is subtracted from the middle digit. Yes. Friends, check here. Middle digit minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Yes. Then all the digits in the each number are arranged in the ascending order from left to right. Yes. First do this one. 615, 379, 448, 866. Next 258, 922. Next after that all are arranged in the ascending order. That means low to high. Then 156, 379, 448, 668, 258, 229. Then which are the following is second smallest? First smallest 156. Second smallest is what? 229. 229 means here first number is what? Here first number 932. Answer is what? 932. Question number 39. Option C. Question number 40. If each of the consonants of the word here consonants and see if it is a consonant, here the given word is what? Termination. It changes to the previous letter. Consonant means what? -1. Next, and each vowel is changed to the next letter. If it is a vowel means +1. If the new alphabetical series thus formed are arranged in the again alphabetical order, that means we should convert entire word. If they didn't mention alphabetical order again means no need to convert, but compulsory in this case we should convert. T consonant. Consonant means what? -1. Yes. E vowel +1. F. Next R consonant -1 is what? Here Q. M consonant -1 is what? M -1 is what? L. Next one. Here N. Next one is what? I vowel +1. J. N -1 M. A, B, T minus 1. Next I, J, O, P, N, M. Yes. After that, arranged in the alphabetical order. Again, low to high. So lowest alphabet is what? Friends, check here. Lowest one is what? Here, B. After B, next one is what? Friends, check here. B, next one is what? Here, F. Next one is what? F. After F, next one is what? Here, J. Here also we are having J. Then J, next one is what? J. Next, after that, next one is what? L. Next one is what? L. Next, after L, next one is what? Friends, check here. M. Next one is what? M. Here also we are having M. Here M. Here M. Next one. After M, next one is what? Q. Next one is what? S. Next one is P. Then P. Next Q. S. 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 Leave it. Which of the following will be the sixth letter from the right hand? From right hand, sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th one. Answer is what? M. So question number 40. Answer is what? Option A.